Okay, so we have pore filling material on the guitar, and I have taken off my blue painter's tape. You can clearly see the binding really well on that. Okay, top still is fine. I'm not going to do anything to the top yet. I'm going to leave it as it is. But what I am going to do is I'm going to begin sanding back the filler, because it is I do have it on there a bit thick. So I'm going to start with the sides, starting with the sides that I started with here, so it will be the most dry. And I've got my sanding block, piece of 150, and I'm just going to begin removing, sanding back. If it starts caking up on here, then you know it's not dry yet. Okay, so definitely wait till it is dry. Before beginning your sanding. We're going to try and leave it in the grain like I have here, but not on the surface like I have here. So I'm going to come ahead in just a little bit here. So I want it like this, where it's in the grain, but not on the surface. Not like this, where it's still on the surface here. Or like this, where it's still on the surface. I want it just in the grains, so I'm going to continue sanding until I get to that point. But I can concentrate on those areas that just still have it on the surface. So, and this may take me a while. I've got to do both sides and the back in this manner. And you have your sanding block, and you do your best to make sure that it stays clean and clear. I've got some extra sanding material over here that I can use if this one starts caking up. Occasionally you may have to blow it off to double check that you're not just sanding more material into the grain. So.